All right, let's check out this new platform, NotebookVault. We're going to see how it works from scratch.
So, you've built the perfect AI workspace. Now what? How do you actually sell it securely?
The whole idea here is to ditch hours of friction for a super quick 60-second way to buy.
And here's the homepage. It's your hub for buying expert knowledge or, hey, selling your own.
Think of it as a two-sided marketplace. One side for creators, one side for buyers. Simple.
Okay, so how does it actually work? Let's break it down for creators first.
For creators, it's simple. Share for free, build your rep, then connect Stripe and keep 85%.
And for buyers, it's even easier. Find what you need, click once to buy, and you're in.
They've also got articles and guides to help you master your whole AI knowledge workflow. The FAQ section is pretty handy, covering big questions like IP protection and getting paid. Right, so you're a creator ready to make some money. Let's see how you'd actually do it.
This is your dashboard. It's mission control for all your listings, earnings, and views.
Adding a new listing is super straightforward. Just fill this out. You can even start for free. But wait, how do you know who's legit? Well, that's where the Vault Rep system comes in. It's basically a game. Every sale earns you points, so the best creators rise to the top.
And look at this. You get points for everything. Sales, new listings, even getting favorited. And what about security? Your IP is locked down. Only verified buyers get access through Secure Gateway.
This is the big idea, right? We're moving from static files to interactive, smart AI assistants. It's all about turning your work into something that actually makes an impact and an income. So the platform gives you the tools. The real question is, what are you going to build?